Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you really quickly how you can make seamless patterns in Midjourney. So I'm in Midjourney, and with Midjourney, you type in /imagine in order for it to create images for you. And I'm going to type in seamless pattern. Let's see, purple, floral design. And then at the end of that, you hit the space bar and you do dash dash and you type tile. All right. So this is what your prompt should look like. Seamless pattern, whatever design you want. I'm doing purple floral design. Hit the space bar, do dash dash and tile. All right. And you press enter. All right, and this is the design that it gave me. So I'm just going to pick one to upscale. The images in Midjourney go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to pick 2, and I'm going to upscale number 2 so I can get it by itself. I'm going to click on it, hit open in browser. I'm just going to right click, save image as, and just save it in my downloads folder. Right. So let's do another one. /imagine. Seamless pattern. Let's see. Let's do animal print. Animal print. And you don't have to put design in it. Sometimes I type design, sometimes I don't. I go seamless pattern. There's a comma there. Animal print, space, dash, dash, tile. So let's see what we come up with. All right, and it gave me some really nice animal print designs. I think that one's really cute. That one as well. I will make sure I put both prompts in the description box below. But you can, anything that you can think of that you want for a seamless pattern. So I'm going to go /imagine. Oops. If I can get it in here. /imagine. Seamless pattern. Purple geometric. I'm going to design this time. Design. And then space. Space, dash, dash, and then tile. All right, and here are the geometric designs that I got. So let me show you a way of how I make sure that the design is actually seamless and it doesn't have the lines or the seams in them. So I go over to Cricut Design Space. In Cricut Design Space, I hit New Project, and I'm just going to go to Shapes. So I'm going to choose a square, and I'm just going to change the size just to make it a little bit bigger or better to see. So I'm just doing 3.5 by 5. And right here where it says basic cut, you want to hit the drop down and do print then cut, right? Because you want this to be a print then cut image. I'm going to hit the plus sign so I can duplicate it because I want to show you side by side. So I'm going to pick a pattern from Cricut Design Space. So let's go here And where it says color, you hit the drop down, go to pattern. This is just the way I do it. I'm sure there are other ways um, that you can make sure that is seamless, but this is just how I do it because I make planner stickers and I use my Cricut to cut the planner stickers. All right. Oh, I think I chose the wrong one. Let's see. Here we go. All right. So you see how in this design you see the seams here, right? If I make it even bigger, you can see the seams even better. It's like the design is kind of cut off a little bit, right? So let's grab the seamless pattern that we did in Midjourney. So I'm going to click upload. And when you want to upload something for a pattern, you go to pattern field, upload pattern, browse. It's in my downloads. And then I hit upload, right? And then I'm just going to hit cancel so it'll take me back to my canvas. All right, so now I'm going to click on this box. Make sure it still says print and cut. Click here, go down to pattern. It should be the first one that I uploaded. Right. And it's here. You see when I stretch it out, there are no seams versus with this one, when I stretch it out, you can see the seams in the design. So that's how I check to see if the design is actually seamless. I haven't gotten into selling seamless designs yet. I just like to make them because, again, I like making planner stickers. But of course, there are several different steps you have to go through in order to sell seamless patterns. You want to upscale them, make them bigger. I see most people sell their seamless patterns on Etsy, 12 by 12. That seems like the popular design, but that's a video for a whole different day. So I just wanted to show you really quickly how to make seamless patterns in Midjourney and how I check to see if the design is actually seamless. All right. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Again, I am not an expert on this stuff. I just learned how to do certain things that fit my needs, which are right now planner stickers. um, but there are several different videos that show you how to upscale the images, how to package them up and sell them, different things like that. There's a ton of videos here on YouTube that show you how to do those type things, but I just do it for personal use, just for my sticker kits. All right. I will put the prompts that I use in the description box below. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.